Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Wix portfolio. First, you will choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, ensuring it aligns with your creative field. Next, customize the layout, colors, and fonts to reflect your unique brand. Then, begin organizing your projects into logical categories, making it simple for visitors to explore your work. This foundational step is crucial for creating an impactful online presence. Now, let's focus on showcasing your work effectively. Upload high-quality images and videos that truly represent your best projects. For each piece, write compelling descriptions that explain your process and the results achieved. Consider adding client testimonials. These powerful endorsements build trust and demonstrate your value to potential clients. Remember, your portfolio is a visual story of your professional journey. To maximize your portfolio's impact, optimize it for engagement. Add a prominent call to action, such as "Contact me" or "View my services," making it easy for visitors to connect. Crucially, ensure your site is mobile responsive, providing a seamless experience on phones and tablets. Also, integrate links to your professional social media profiles, extending your reach and fostering more connections. Finally, it's time to publish and promote your stunning new portfolio. Connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional and memorable address. Leverage Wix's built-in SEO tools to help your portfolio rank higher in search results, attracting more organic traffic. Don't forget to share your completed portfolio across all your professional social media channels and networks to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.